Hello, everybody. My name is Stephanie Hernandez, and I'm studying public action and dance, and I am a food insecurity and population health fellow. And today I'm going to be talking about my experience working at GBICS and the resource that I made for people in Vermont. So let's see. For those who don't know GBICS is a community-based nonprofit that helps advance the health of our neighbors by meeting their basic needs. For example, what I really enjoy about GBICS is that, for example, somebody can come in and say, I'm a woman and I need a mammogram, but I also am having a lot of trouble being able to get food for my children. And at GBICS, we will just kind of get you at, like, for example, we'll get you first, and we will get you at the food pantry, which is really nice. We have 6 different programs. We have the Food and Fuel Fund. We have the Bennington Free Clinic. We have the Kitchen Cupboard and Oral Health Coalition, You First, and Food Fit Bennington. Oh. And so my project, I had realized that a lot of people were experiencing more food insecurity due to the pandemic. Like, for example, nearly 30% of Vermont households were food insecure between March and September. And also something that is very concerning is the fact that 50% of households experiencing food insecurity were eating less nutritious food, for example, fruits and vegetables and grains. And so I decided to create a interactive, comprehensive list of benefits that Vermonters can be are entitled to. It's something that's online. It can be accessed through a link. It's visually easy to follow, and it also connects to community action agencies in town. And this is kind of like the first, kind of like the front page of what you see. So we have, COVID-19, we have, resources on like how to get tested, who's eligible for the vaccine, self-care during a pandemic, and then we have behaviors to help mitigate the spread. We also have family care, which is home maintenance, things like weatherization. We have childcare and elderly care. And then we have food access, which, provides food assistance programs such as 3 Squares Vermont, and a food shelf map for people to access food shelves. Then we have career advancement, which is educational advancement in case you're interested in going back to school, and also professional advancement if you're looking into starting a small business. And then we also finally have financial relief, which is short-term financial assistance, and also energy and heat assistance for those who can't afford heating their homes. And this is kind of just an example of kind of like the resource map, because initially I wanted to have it be more food oriented, but as we know, the pandemic has affected so many aspects of our lives. And so I thought creating those different categories would be more appropriate. Let's see. And this is like my little project on, 3 Squares Vermont. I really wanted this to be something that's easy to read, and also very accessible, just because I've noticed that a lot of people have issues kind of either getting on 3 Squares Vermont or even Medicaid. And that's, a little bit more of what the map has. And yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for the donors who have allowed us to kind of have this opportunity to create resources and to have an impact on our community. And yeah, I just want to say thank you so much.